Each year, AstraZeneca spends more than $10 billion with over 50,000 suppliers across more than 100 countries. To achieve our bold ambition, it's critical for us to ensure that the quality, the price, and the reliability of the goods and services we procure from these suppliers meets our needs. So each supplier must have the right capabilities to support our goals and objectives. We don't expect everyone to be a sourcing and contracting expert. That's why we have specialists who understand the methodologies, the rules and the regulations which are necessary to ensure we receive the best value for money for each dollar that we spend. Our values must be at the forefront when we deal with our suppliers. We must play to win, be entrepreneurial, do the right things and operate with integrity and transparency. That's why we've updated our global procurement standard to ensure we consistently follow good practice across the company. Our policy. It helps us as individuals to do the right things when dealing with existing and potential suppliers, ensures that we work with those who provide the greatest value for money and who work to the same ethical standards as we do. It gives patients confidence that our medicines have been developed, manufactured and sold both ethically and safely. Provides our suppliers with transparency regarding our sourcing, contracting and supplier management processes. Provides our shareholders with the assurance that we operate in a way which protects their investment in us. We do this by only engaging suppliers under the following circumstances. When there is a genuine business need for their goods or services, the required budget is available. If the supplier has the necessary capabilities, licenses and qualifications to provide the goods or services, the business requirement is clear and outlined in a purchase order before the good or service is received. We need to ensure that procurement are engaged early when you're planning to spend more than $100,000 over the term of the relationship with the supplier, or your requirement involves sensitive goods or services such as animals, biological samples, clinical services, or management consultancy, or your purchase relates to a US government contract or study funded by the European Union. We must identify the appropriate levels of due diligence required to conduct supplier relationships. This will include the third-party risk management process, as well as any GXP compliance requirements specific to the goods or services you are buying. To ensure good corporate governance, we have a segregation of duties in our approvals process. We need to ensure correct approvals are obtained before starting business with a supplier. This includes financial approval received from the budget holder, confirming you can spend the company's money, plus procurement approval received from the procurement team, confirming the commercial deal represents good value for AstraZeneca. When contracting or placing spend with suppliers, it's important that procurement are engaged early in the process. This ensures that the whole company can benefit from the market knowledge, negotiation experience, collaborative culture, and procurement best practice we have in the organization. If you are involved in placing contracts, procuring goods and services on behalf of AstraZeneca, or if you're a procurement professional, then check out the new Global Procurement Standard. Together, we can set new levels of excellence in procurement. Together, we can achieve our bold ambition. Visit the Procurement Nucleus page for more information. Simple, smart, doing the right thing.